Helo pawb, Ken dwi o Gwir y Stac. I ni'n band sy'n chwarae yn ddwyieithog trwy Bai Abertawe. Hello, welcome. We're a band called Gwir y Stac and we play throughout the Swansea Bay area, bilingual band. But we've decided to work with friends and work under a scheme called Caru-iwci. Caru being love, iwci being part of a word for ukulele. So ni wedi penderfynu gweithio gyda ffrindiau i gweithio dan y faner Caru-iwci. Beth o'n i'n gobeithio wneud cyn i'r holl virus sy'n ddod cyd y ysgolion lawr oedd dod mewn i ysgolion i ddysgu Cymraeg. Before we had the lockdown in the schools for the virus, we were looking to come into schools to teach Welsh through singing, and we had worked with a school and it worked very well that when we actually taught some lessons there. We developed that into a small concert towards the end of the school day where parents were invited in and invited to sing along with the children. So it's along that basis that we're going to try and put together a series of videos now that maybe you can use and the kids and the parents can use, and we would hope that they enjoyed enough that when we finally come back to some sort of normality, then you'd invite us in to maybe have an afternoon concert and to try and progress Welsh through this medium. So beth ni'n gobeithio yw cael plant i ddysgu Cymraeg trwy canu, a efallai bod ni'n gallu dod mewn a wneud rhyw fath o gangerdd yn y pnawn. Mae hwn wedi bod yn llwyddiannus iawn mewn i ysgol. Ni wedi ceisio i wneud yn Abertawe yn barod. So please take a look at the details that I've included in the email this is attached to. Diolch yn fawr i chi a please darllenwch beth sydd yn yr e-bost sydd gyda yr fideo hyn. Diolch yn fawr i chi a'n gobeithio gallwn ni gweithio yn gilydd yn y dyfodol. Thank you very much and I hope that we can work together in the future. Diolch yn fawr.